Imagine being lean, light, and yet packing enough strength to outperform people twice your size. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. Think of boxing legend Ray Boom Boom Mancini, who at 5'4" and 135 pounds knocked out heavyweights in the ring. Or Jaswant Shergill, a 67-kilogram school teacher who lifted 155 kilograms overhead like it was nothing. How do they do it? The answer lies in a little-known secret called neuromuscular efficiency and the ultimate training technique to unlock it, greasing the groove, GTG. Welcome to HealthFuse, where we fuse science and fitness to help you achieve the impossible. In this 6-minute masterclass, you'll learn exactly how to become skinny strong and transform your body without bulking up. Let's dive in! Hey everyone, welcome back to HealthFuse, your go-to channel for cutting-edge fitness strategies that actually work. If you're new here, we're all about breaking down complex fitness concepts into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling a question that's puzzled athletes for decades. How can someone be skinny and incredibly strong at the same time? The answer isn't just about muscle size. It's about how efficiently your nervous system communicates with your muscles. This is called neuromuscular efficiency, and it's the key to unlocking skinny strong. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use the greasing the groove technique to double your strength, improve your endurance, and achieve that lean, powerful physique you've always wanted. Ready to get started? Let's go! The science of skinny strong? Let's start with the science. Most people think strength is all about muscle size. The bigger the muscles, the stronger you are. But that's only half the story. Strength is also determined by how well your nervous system can recruit and coordinate muscle fibers. This is called neuromuscular efficiency. Mechanism 1, muscle fiber growth, hypertrophy. This is what happens when you lift heavy weights and eat in a calorie surplus. Your muscles get bigger and so does your strength. Mechanism 2, neuromuscular efficiency. This is where the magic happens. By training your nervous system, you can recruit more muscle fibers, synchronize them better, and improve your movement patterns. The result? You get stronger without necessarily getting bigger. Take Ray Mancini, for example. At 135 pounds, he was knocking out heavyweights because his nervous system was firing on all cylinders. Or Jaswant Shergill, who lifted more than double his body weight overhead. These athletes proved that strength isn't just about size, it's about efficiency. And the best part? You can train your nervous system to work smarter, not harder. That's where greasing the groove comes in. What is greasing the groove? Greasing the groove, or GTG, is a training technique popularized by kettlebell guru Pavel Tsatsouline. The idea is simple. By performing a movement frequently at low intensity, you grease the neural pathways responsible for that movement. In other words, you train your nervous system to perform the movement more efficiently. Here's how it works. Perform 5 reps of an exercise at 70% of your max effort. Repeat this multiple times a day, 6 days a week. Focus on perfect form to build high-quality neural pathways. The beauty of GTG is that it allows you to accumulate a high volume of repetitions without fatiguing your muscles. This means you can train more frequently and see faster results. For example, many people double their pull-up count in just 12 weeks using GTG. And the best part? You'll do this without feeling sore or exhausted. It's like hacking your nervous system for strength. But how do you apply it? Let's break it down. How to apply GTG. Here's your step-by-step guide to mastering GTG. Choose 2 exercises. Focus on movements like pull-ups, push-ups, or squats. These are compound exercises that engage multiple muscle groups. Set your reps. Start with 5 reps per set. The key is to keep it easy and controlled. You should finish each set feeling like you could do more. Spread it out. Do these sets throughout the day, morning, afternoon, evening. The goal is to accumulate volume without fatigue. Track progress. Add a rep each week or increase the weight gradually. For example, if you're doing pull-ups, you might start with 3 reps and work up to 5. Then, add weight and drop back to 3 reps. Rest your muscles. Avoid overtraining by skipping traditional workouts for those muscle groups. For example, if you're GTGing pull-ups, don't do lat pull-downs or rows on the same day. Pro tip, turn it into a game. One of my favorite examples is a guy who installed a pull-up bar in his doorway and did 2 pull-ups every time he walked through it. By the end of the day, he'd racked up 20 perfect reps without even trying. That's the power of GTG. Common mistakes to avoid. Before you start, avoid these common pitfalls. Overtraining, stick to 2 exercises max. GTG is about quality, not quantity. Poor form, every rep must be perfect. If your form breaks down, you're reinforcing bad habits. Ignoring recovery. Let your muscles rest between GTG sessions. Remember, the goal is to train your nervous system, not break down your muscles. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll maximize your results and avoid burnout. Real-life success stories, still not convinced? Let's look at some real-life success stories. One of our HealthFuse viewers, let's call him John, used GTG to go from 5 pull-ups to 12 in just 8 weeks. Another viewer, Sarah, doubled her push-up count in 10 weeks. These aren't isolated cases. GTG works because it's backed by science. And the best part? It's simple, effective, and doesn't require hours in the gym. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to becoming skinny strong with the greasing the groove technique. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, GTG can take your strength to the next level. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe to HealthFuse for more fitness tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let me know, what exercise will you try with GTG? Until next time, keep moving, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.